Hello there. Today we will talk about the most important intervention in all of history, the steam engine. We will go over how it's so relevant and influences modern technology and science today.
Now, how did the steam engine affect the society back then, and how does it affect society today? First, the steam engine at the time greatly increased the production of clothes and materials for the society, and affected or paved the way for modes of transport like trains, ships, boats, and sooner or later the cars.
Yeah, and it did also replace the muscle power we earlier used before the steam engine was invented, like slavery and people who did this job like this machine did now do. And now we can outsource lots of our production to other countries because we can produce more, and it's faster and cheaper. So the rich countries and the countries affected by the Industrial Revolution became even richer, and that's why we see this split in the poor countries and the rich countries today. And also it helped with the transportation and infrastructure of lots of places and mostly rich places in the world.
Talking about how a steam engine works, the first step is water being heated in a boiler until it becomes steam. The steam expands and builds up pressure. This high pressure steam is then directed into a cylinder, which then pushes a piston back and forth. The piston's movement is connected to a crank or a wheel, which then converts the forth and back motion into a rotating motion that drives the machine's wheel or engines. After pushing the piston, the steam cools down and condenses back into water, so it can be reheated and used again. So in short, a steam engine turns boiling water into motion using the power of expanding steam, which makes a machine move.